Assalamu alaikum students. Today we discuss about the third lecture of immunological disorders. In this lecture we discuss about the allergic disorders. What is allergic reactions? The allergy is an inappropriate, exaggerated, often harmful response of the immune system to normally harmless substance. The hypersensitivity reaction to an allergen initiated by the immunological mechanism that is usually mediated by the IgA antibodies. What is allergen? The allergen is the substance that causes the allergic response. What is atopy? Atopy is referred to the allergic reaction characterized by IgE antibody action and the genetic predisposition. What is the immunological reaction by antibodies? जब भी कोई एंटीजन हमारी बॉडी में दाखिल होता है तो एंटीबॉडीज़ इनके खिलाफ कैसे बनती है हमारे पास, ठीक है. The antibodies react with the specific effector cell and the molecules and the function to protect the body. The antibodies which are produced against the allergic reaction, there is the antibody IgE. The IgE's molecule bind to an allergen and trigger the mast cells or basophils. These cells then release the chemical mediators such as the histamine, serotonin, kinin and the neutrophil factors. How we diagnose the patient has the allergy? For this we conduct a test. This is known as the RAST test. The RAST is the blood test using the radioimmunoassay test to detect the specific IgE antibody to determine the substance subject to the allergy. The primary allergic conditions are anaphylaxis, angioedema, asthma, atopic dermatitis and so on. So what is the high fever, the seasonal allergic rhinitis, the bronchial asthma? These are the initial state of the allergic reaction. Then there is the food allergy, cutaneous anaphylaxis reaction and the angioedema. The angioedema is autosomal dominant inherited disorder characterized by the laryngeal edema, edema of the eyelid, lips, tongue and trunk. There are the four broad category of the allergen. The some allergen by which the person contact with this, such as the poison plant, latex, animal danders and the jewelries. The other are ingestion. These are milk, medication, nuts and shellfish. Some are inhalation. These are pollen, dust यानी air से कोई भी चीज़ हम inhale करते हैं. Some are the injectable like the medication or the bee stings. What is allergic reaction? The allergic triggers the beta cell to become the IgE antibody which attach to the mast cells, which is the type of the white blood cell. When these allergens reappear, it bind to the IgE and trigger the mast cell to release its chemicals. The chemical mediators, there are the primary and the secondary mediator which are released at the time of allergic reaction. The primary mediator which are released, they are the histamine, eosinophils, platelet activating factor, prostaglandins. The other are leukotrienes and the bradykinin and serotonin. What is hypersensitivity? The hypersensitivity reaction is also known as the allergic reaction. These are the body excessive response to the normally harmless substance. The severity of the condition can range from the mild rash to the life-threatening anaphylaxis. There are the four types of the hypersensitivity reaction. The first one is anaphylactic reaction. The type 2 is also known as the cytotoxic reaction, and the type 3 is immunocomplex reaction, and the type 4 is the delay or the cell-mediated reaction. These are the classification of the hypersensitivity reaction. The another classification of the hypersensitivity reaction is the immediate or antibody mediated reaction and the delay cell mediated. In immediate or antibody mediated reaction, the antibodies are released, and in delay the cells, the T cell and the B cells are released. The example of immediate antibody reaction is hay fever, asthma, urticaria and the serum sickness. The delay cell mediated is the TB, contact dermatitis and fungal infection. These are the four types of the hypersensitivity reaction, and which are the antibody which are activated at the time of hypersensitivity reaction and their antigens and their onset. The type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is start immediately as the antigen enter in the body, and the type 2 start in few hours, and then last one is the type 4 hypersensitivity reaction is also known as the delay hypersensitivity, which is start within the 48 hours. The type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is anaphylactic reaction. When the antigen enter in human body, it attached with the mast cell, the mediators are released. The example of the type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is the extrinsic asthma, allergic rhinitis, systemic anaphylaxis, reaction to the insect bite. These are the type of the anaphylaxis reaction. The type 2 hypersensitivity type is the cytotoxic reaction. In cytotoxic reaction, which involve the binding either the IgG and IgM antibody to the cell bound antibody, may lead to the eventually cell and tissue damage. This reaction is the result of mistaken identity when the system identifies the normal constitution of the body as a foreign particle. The type 2, the example of type 2 hypersensitivity reaction is the pernicious anemia, hemolytic diseases of the newborn, and the transfusion reactions. The type 3 hypersensitivity reaction is also known as the immune complex reaction. This is the marked by acute inflammation from the formation and deposition of the immune complexes. Joints and the kidney are particularly susceptible to this kind of the reaction. The example of the immune complex reaction is the urticaria, joint pain, fever, rashes, and swollen glands. The type 4 hypersensitivity reaction is also known as the delay, and the cellular reaction is occurred within the 1 to 3 days after the exposure to the antigen. The example of this is include contact dermatitis, graft versus host disease, Hashimoto disease, and the sarcoidosis. These are the 4 types of the hypersensitivity reaction. Now, how we assess collect the data from the patient having a hypersensitivity reaction. We take the history from the patient: food intolerance, colic, abdominal cramping, bloating, pain, and also their history of their drug, insect biting, recurrent respiratory problem, हिस्ट्री ऑफ द फटीग, विजिंग, एसओबी. तो सारे बॉडी के सिस्टम से पूछेंगे कि कहीं इनको बार बार डायरिया तो नहीं हो रहा, बार बार फीवर तो नहीं हो रहा, बार बार जिस्म में कोई ना कोई निशान तो नहीं पड़े. तो ये सारे पूछेंगे. स्किन में पूछेंगे इनको इचिंग तो नहीं हो रही, बर्निंग तो नहीं हो रही है, ड्राइनेस तो नहीं है, स्केलिंग तो नहीं है. फिर आइज़ में बार बार बर्निंग, इचिंग, टेयरिंग. नोज़ में हमारे पास रनिंग नोज़ तो नहीं है बार बार हमारे पास, ठीक है. सडन एपिसोड ऑफ स्नीजिंग तो नहीं है. माउथ में पूछेंगे पेशेंट से, आप माउथ ओपन करें तो ब्रीथिंग में स्मेल तो नहीं आ रही हमारे पास, ठीक है. रेडनेस ऑफ थ्रोट तो नहीं है. ईयर में हिस्ट्री ऑफ हेयरिंग है. नेक में पैल्पेबल लार्ज लिम्फ नोड है. टेस्ट हम पहले भी मैं बताया कि पेशेंट का स्किन टेस्ट करवाएंगे, सीबीसी करवाएंगे, तो ये तो पेशेंट डब्ल्यूबीसी रेस रहेंगे, सीरम आईजी टेस्ट करवाएंगे और स्किन टेस्ट करवाएंगे. इंट्राडर्मल टेस्टिंग करवाएंगे हमारे पास. फिर इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो होती है हम हमारे पास इसको बता देंगे कि पेशेंट को किस टाइप का रिएक्शन है हमारे पास, ठीक है. साइन एंड सिम्टम, अगर पेशेंट को हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शन तो पेशेंट का अर्टिकेरिया होगा हमारे पास, ठीक है. एंजियोडीमा हो जाएगा, स्वेलिंग बीनीथ द स्किन आ जाएगी और पेशेंट के व्हील्स पड़ जाएंगे. ट्रीटमेंट हमने क्या करना है, पेशेंट का एयरवे को मेंटेन करना है हमारे पास. अगर पेशेंट को एंजियोडीमा हो गया, ऑक्सीजन को सप्लाई करना है, आईवी एपिनेफ्रिन देनी, एंटीहिस्टामिन देंगे ताकि पेशेंट को एलर्जी से प्रिवेंट हो. शॉक से प्रिवेंट करना, पेशेंट को साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट देनी है. मेडिकेशन जो देनी है वो पेशेंट को एपिनेफ्रिन देंगे फॉर द एनाफाइलेटिक रिएक्शन, एंटीहिस्टामिन देंगे और हिस्टामिन देंगे और कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स देंगे. Then the allergic rhinitis. The allergic rhinitis, hay fever, seasonal allergic rhinitis, the common respiratory allergy pursuant to the mediated by the type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. The sign and symptom of the patient with allergic rhinitis includes sneezing, nasal congestion, cleary water discharge, nasal itching, itching of the throat, soft palate. The subjective data we receive from the patient is allergic rhinitis. The patient says that he has the allergy from the seasonal. जैसे ही सीज़न चेंज होगा पेशेंट को कोई ना कोई साइन सिम्टम्स अपीयर हो जाएंगे हमारे पास, ठीक है. प्लानिंग हमने क्या करनी है, पेशेंट की हमारे पास जो ब्रीथिंग पैटर्न है इसको रिस्टोर करना है हमारे पास, ठीक है. एक्नॉलेज करना है हमारे पास, ठीक है. नॉलेज प्रोवाइड करना है कि पेशेंट को अगर जैसे सीज़न चेंज होगा कि हमारे पास तो इससे पहले से अपने के लिए कोई ना कोई केयर करके रखे हमारे पास, ठीक है. मॉडिफाई द एनवायरनमेंट टू रिड्यूस द एलर्जन आ जाता है. रिड्यूस एक्सपोजर टू पेशेंट विद द अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन से प्रिवेंट करना है. इंस्ट्रक्शन टू मिनिमाइज द एलर्जन करना है. यूज़ ऑफ मेडिकेशन, यानी जैसे कोई सीजनल चेंज हो तो पहले से मेडिसिन जो होती है उसको यूज़ कर ले हमारे पास, ठीक है. तो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट व्हाट इज़ द हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी रिएक्शंस आ जाते हैं. एक क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे, व्हेन कुड द रिबाउंड एनाफिलिटिक रिएक्शन इज अकर आफ्टर द इनिशियल टैग इवन व्हेन द एपिनेफ्रिन हैज़ बीन गिवन. तो कब एनाफाइलेटिक रिएक्शन जो होता है वो हमारे पास इनिशियल टैग के बाद दोबारा होगा हमारे पास, ठीक है. तो विदिन 4 आवर आ जाता है. एनाफाइलेटिक रिएक्शन है तो इमीडिएट होगा, तो 4 आवर के बाद. थैंक यू.